Is OnlyFans being really annoying to you by sending you all the post notifications on your computer? Then this video is the right one for you. Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with a new video to show you guys on how you can turn off all post notifications on your OnlyFans account. To do so, first of all, you just have to log into your OnlyFans, and after that, you just have to click on More, which is on the left side of your screen, and go on to Settings. Here you can see an option for notifications. Click on it. And here you can see post notifications. If you click on post notification, you can see these options pop up. Now you can simply just click this button and now you can see that all the notifications are getting disabled. Now you can select the only notification that you want to show on your laptop or your screen. Otherwise, you can just disable all of them. This much for this video, and that's how you can disable post notification on your OnlyFans account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.